than 250k there almost. 500k is a big number. So thank you so much for that. और बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने कुछ भी अपलोड नहीं किया. It's almost been a year I guess. So 1st December से on my YouTube channel everything is starting. My music videos, my album, I have my BTS vlogs and lot of fun stuff. I also have a series coming which I actually can't talk much about. तो yeah, वो मैं update कर दूँगी in my stories. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होने वाली है ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल फ्रॉम डिसम्बर. फाइनली आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग. बहुत लंबा हॉलीडे हो गया. एक्चुअली यू नो मेरा जो न्यू म्यूजिक आ रहा है इट्स लाइक समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट दैन वॉट यू आर हियरिंग फ्रॉम मी अभी तक. एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ गुड ब्रेक सो पीपल कैन यू नो हैव दैट ब्रेक. जो मेरा पहले का म्यूजिक था उसके I don't know how to say it in Hindi. So people can have a break from my previous music and be ready for the fresh music. So there's a lot of exciting stuff coming, and yeah, that's it. And why I'm not making pehle jaise tracks? A lot of people are asking me about it because you know I am a different person now. I have changed a lot. My music no more comes from that rage. It comes from a place of love and happiness. So you will see that kind of music definitely. And yeah, that's it. तो बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें आ रही है. About collabs, yeah, I want to talk about collabs. So we have been talking to a lot of artists. And बहुत सारी फन चीज़ें आने वाली है. There are some collabs with Indian artists as well, and some international collabs like you already know about with sorry, I don't know why I said this. Lil Wayne and Black China and Flo Milli. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे artists के साथ me and my management are already talking, and कुछ लोगों के tracks already आ चुके हैं like the music and everything, and some are still in talks. तो जो भी होता है I will update you soon on that, and I'm very much excited about it. So yes, I have not seen comments at all because somehow मुझे वो ज़्यादा important भी नहीं लगे, but साल में पहली बार मैं लाइव आई हूँ. आई हैव कम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ. प्लीज डू नॉट आस्क मी अबाउट एनीबडी एल्स. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन टॉकिंग अबाउट एनीबडी एल्स. नीदर इज दैट माई प्लेस टू टॉक. सो आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क मी एनीथिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट. आई लव यू गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव यू टू. You are more than numbers. I know. I know. It's so crazy. जब भी see I basically have social anxiety. मैं ज़्यादा कहीं बाहर जाती नहीं हूँ. Also I don't have much friends in India. Very few. और वो लोग भी celebrities हैं तो वो भी बहुत busy रहते हैं. We can't be like you know going out to public places. But whenever I go, right from you know gas stations to toll to cafes, people are like, we watch you and we've seen you on TV and we've heard your tracks. So I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much, and it makes me so happy. बहुत खुशी होती है to bump into you guys and talk to you. Yeah, I'm a little awkward because I'm an extreme introvert. Collab with Raftaar, collab with Honey Singh. यार these people are too big. बहुत बड़े हैं वो. They are extremely you know passionate, dedicated about the work they do. So maybe at the right time, maybe when I'm very confident about my music, and yeah, maybe that time. Right now I am more focusing on my music, my own solos I mean. Hi Mitali, what's up? Album कब आ रहा है? So I just gave an update on that कि everything on my channel starts December 1st week. So be ready for that. Yeah, I don't have my nails today because I'm filming for my song. कुछ montages है, and I need a fresh set for that. No, smoking is bad. Smoking is bad for everybody. The person who thinks they can smoke stuff and look cool, they're just fools. So I've been sober since a very long time for good. you can see the positive change in me. And also I look beautiful. My skin is glowing. Hi. Hey, what's up? I miss that we haven't met in meet and greet. I know I'm already talking to my management about shows, but I will wait for a few tracks because बहुत amazing tracks है जो आने वाले हैं. So I will wait for them to be out and then I would rather start performing. I mean, I'm still doing on and off, you know, appearances and corporate shows and some little award functions and all of that, but I really don't want to post about that right now because I will wait for my the big show and then start posting about it. Yeah, I'm moving to my new house. I'm so excited. It is like my dream house. I always wanted a house like that. Finally, I found one. My dad is more excited than I am. He has already made a lot of gardening. बहुत सारे plans बनाए उन्होंने. यहाँ पे ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. Poppy never gets tired. Hey Rahul, what's up? Hey, what's up? You want me? मैंने थोड़ा भी ऋतिक मुझे मार देगा. ऋतिक चौहान जो मेरे सॉन्ग्स कंपोज कर थोड़ा भी मैंने अगर गा दिया ना, he's going to kill me. He's like, no Mukta, you cannot put this out, you cannot put that out. वैसे थोड़ा सा तो मैंने डाल ही दिया था. I'd already put a small teaser. Collabs, I just said about collabs कि काफ़ी सारे collabs हैं जो in making है. I also have a song with Shakespeare, which is a very beautiful track. It is like a complete, you know, very different vibe, so peaceful, so melodious. I love it. It's a very beautiful track. You guys are going to enjoy it for sure. जो record हो चुका है already. Lots of collabs on the way. Web series. I just talked about my series, but right now I'm not allowed to, you know, give out the details. तो वो जब भी आता है, I will let you know. What about marriage? Why? Why do you guys ask me about that? No one wants to marry a strong woman who's very opinionated. They all need dumb dolls. So it's very difficult for me to find a strong guy who can handle a strong woman. People normally prefer marrying dumb people, dumb girls especially, who don't have their opinions, who would nod their head for everything they say. I'm not that kind of person. I have very strong opinions. And yeah. Your fashion is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my god, so many comments. I'm so sorry I didn't read it. 24 कैरेट गोल्ड का नेक्स्ट आएगा. किसके साथ है वो अभी मैं नहीं बताना चाहती, बट येस इट इज कमिंग. Of course it won't be called 24 karat gold 2 or something. We are not that dumb. But yeah, on the same lines, I mean. Hey, what's up? Of my song, am I allowed to do it? I can. Okay. Not sure. Tattoos. I have no place left now for tattoos. I mean, of course, not in the literal way, but I think I've done enough tattoos and I will wait for a good tattoo. अभी recently मैंने एक tattoo किया, but it's for someone, so I am not allowed to show it. I mean, it's not about allowed. I don't want to show it because you know कुछ चीज़ें personal रहे तो ही अच्छा होता है. And yeah, I'm not not ready to talk about it also right now because I don't want to be judged. I guess कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने जज कर लिया था in a wrong way. I mean, of course, people are always going to judge you for no matter what you do. But I want this to be very personal, just for me and my family. And I'm happy that I have someone who supports me, you know, with everything, who I know is just a call away, who I can ask all stupid questions and opinions and advice. And yeah, I'm just happy to have him. Big Boss में आ जाओ. No यार, it's already so much fun. This time there are already so much fun people. I am loving. Like hardly time मिलता है to watch, you know, episodes and episodes. But yeah, जितना देखती हूँ, I loved watching this time का Big Boss. Especially the guys. All of them are awesome. Of course, I am supporting Karan a lot, and I like Pratik also. I like Umar. He's hot. Dance? No, I'm not a good dancer. I mean, I don't know if I am, but I'm a very shy dancer. Huh? No, I don't think it is not that important of topic to say in live. How is Divine as a rapper? See, again, I would say the same thing, you know, no matter what people have said about me or anything. When जब कोई अच्छा artist होता है, as an artist I will always say that he or she is a good artist, even if they talk shit about me for no reason. So and you know, like my generation के जो rappers हैं, तो for us Divine will always be an inspiration कि who has, you know, जिसने हमको एक पाथ दिखा दी है and all of that. Everybody respects him a lot, and he has done really good stuff. So no hate to anybody yaar. Whatever is personal, but professionally I will always respect him as an artist. Yeah. Hey. Guys, just stop saying hot. Everywhere I go, people are like, you're so beautiful, you're so hot. It just makes me anxious and conscious. So don't say it. I become so conscious about it. कुछ बचा है बोलने के लिए? Sing a song? Sing a song. Which song? Photographers का. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it in live. I don't think that इतना importance नहीं देना चाहिए इसे फालतू topic को. So I will post it someday in my stories. Face है मेरा atom bomb. Yeah, that's a new song. मुझ पे लाइन है कितने मार दे, मैं किसी को न कर दी पिक. I can't sing it. I'm so sorry. I want to, but I can't. Which tattoo hurt the most? Of course, my baby wala tattoo. I'm so sorry, I'm not watching जो new songs आ रहे हैं in Indian hip hop. I'm so busy with my own stuff, travel and shoot. But I think recently कौन सा गाना है यार वो? बिजली Cinderella करते आया दे. I think it's Harry's song. I'm not sure, but I love that song. And also Khana Kasuta, I love it. It's a very nicely filmed song. वेट एक बार मुझे कमेंट्स देखने दो यार. इतने सारे कमेंट्स मैंने देखे नहीं, इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट. I have put on weight. Yes, I've put on weight. Good weight. That is what happens when you bake every day. Baking has become my new stress relief. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा cupcakes, cakes, cheese cakes. I keep on making, खुद ही खा लेती हूँ तो. You don't do vlogs? Yeah, I just said. मेरे जो songs के हैं BTS और बहुत सारे vlogs मैंने बनाए हैं, तो we will be posting that. Coco, drop it. Drop. Coco, drop it. Drop it. Hi, I'm so sorry. My dog is teething, so keeps on chewing everything. And he's here. Say hi, Coco. Say hi, Coco. Oh. What did you put on my lips? What did you put on my lips? Say hi. Hi, Baba. क्या किया तूने? मैं न्यू पेन चबा दिया, क्यूटी. Go down. Hey, what's up? Yeah, so this is all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for joining my live, and I shall be live soon to announce my song. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you guys so much.